Automotive-grade chips are automotive chips that fully meet all automotive certification requirements and are certified by third-party certification bodies. Compared with consumer-grade chips, automotive-grade chips need to face a more demanding application environment, so its reliability and safety requirements are extremely strict. Supply and demand mismatch overlapped with the supply of confusion led to a lack of automotive core continued. The main control, power and drive chips of large manufacturers are still the main core shortage since September 2020. Under the influence of multiple factors such as epidemic and demand, the problem of core shortage continues to affect the manufacturing of the whole vehicle, and the supply of chips in some areas has a deteriorating trend. According to the World Automobile Industry Association, OICA, total global vehicle production in 2021 will be about 80.15 million units, up 3% from the previous year. Although sales ended a 3-year decline since 2018, but in the past 2021, the global automotive market was hit hard by chip shortages, with cumulative production cuts breaking 10 million units, equivalent to the global sales of the entire Toyota Group in 2021, 10.5 million units, according to the latest data from AFS, as of October 9. The global automotive market has suffered a cumulative production cut of about 3,537,100 vehicles this year due to the chip shortage, and AFS predicts that the cumulative production cut will climb to 4,363,500 vehicles by the end of this year, from the automotive industry shortage of core reasons, mainly due to supply and demand imbalance. Industry chain hierarchy drawbacks lead to supply chain management chaos caused by, on the supply side, the global automotive chip capacity investment is relatively conservative. At present, automotive chips account for 10% of total sales in the global semiconductor market, accounting for a small percentage. To the world's largest foundry TSMC, for example, automotive chip business accounted for its total business ratio of basically no more than 5%. And car chip gross margin compared to consumer electronics is lower, and strict technical requirements, foundry manufacturers in the field will not enough. On the demand side, due to the downturn in the automotive market before 2020, car manufacturers and Tier 1 demand for chips is expected to be very low, but with the explosion of the new energy vehicle market, the contradiction between supply and demand began to highlight. According to IC Insights data, global shipments of automotive chips reached 52.4 billion in 2021, an increase of nearly 30% year-on-year, compared to the downturn in previous years, can be described as a big exceeded expectations. Continued lack of core on the entire industry chain has caused far-reaching impact, or will accelerate a century of automotive industry chain restructuring. Automotive electronics trillion market size, the continued lack of cores on the entire industry chain has caused a profound impact. According to Huawei HiC data, 2021 global automotive electronics market of about $270 billion, the next 6 years will maintain a compound annual growth rate of nearly 7% growth, is expected to 2027 the overall market size of automotive electronic components close to $400 billion. From the data, the electronic components growth rate has exceeded the growth rate of the automotive market. The electronic rate continues to increase. In the overall lack of automotive core has not improved the situation. The main car manufacturers through production cuts, structural optimization and other means to deal with the lack of core. 2022 1 quarter, Ford, Volkswagen, Toyota, Honda, Nissan and other car companies have had a plan to reduce or stop production. Ford has temporarily suspended or reduced production at 8 plants in the US, Mexico, and Canada. Some automakers, such as Great Wall, have taken structural optimization measures and suspended orders for low-end and mid-range models to ensure the supply of high-end models. In the recent earnings presentation, relevant vehicle manufacturers have talked about their views on the lack of cores. Among them, Stellantis CEO Tang Weisha, Carlos Tavares, said that the chip shortage is expected to ease by the end of 2023, while Volkswagen Group Chief Financial Officer Arno Antlitz expects the chip shortage will continue until 2024. Tier 1, a long history of large international automotive electronics companies such as Bosch, Continental, Japan Denso, Delphi, Visti, Valeo and other advantages in technology accumulation, experience and other aspects of the global automotive electronics market. Share in the leading position, the first 6 foreign automotive electronics Tier 1 suppliers to occupy 52.1% of the global automotive electronics market share. From its performance, 2021, despite the impact of the shortage of chips, in an unfavorable external environment Tier 1s are making a lot of money.